Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a shared Google Calendar. First, log into your Google Calendar account. Then in here, on the left panel, beside other calendars, click on the plus sign button and create a new one. Now, just go ahead and type in a name for it. You can also add a description if you'd like to. Once done, just click on the create button. Now to share it, go back to your calendars, and as you can see, it is now created. Click on the three dots beside it and you can go and change its color if you'd like to. You can also go and create a new event for it and click save. Now to share it, click on the three dots, then go to settings and sharing. Here, you can add people or groups to whom you want to share the calendar. So just go and type in an email. So I'm gonna share it to my other email account and just click the send button. Now, you can click on this drop down menu so you can change the access of the person that you shared it with. Now, I will go to my other account. Here, the account you shared it with will receive a message that says to join the shared calendar and click on the add button to add it to your account. Now, I have an access to the shared calendar created. I can go and make an event under that calendar. So just add in a title and save it. Then it will be shown to both accounts. And that's just basically it. You now have a shared Google Calendar. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.